It's been such a big day for Pixel 7 news, you'd think the actual event was going on right now. Don't bother checking your calendar. It's still September. Although we might have 2 weeks to go until Google takes the stage, we've heard a new pre-order date and fresh rumors on an official release date. If you're still wondering whether or not you'll pick up the phone, our first official glimpses at the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro case lineup might be enough to sway you one way or the other. Google confirms pre-order start date of their upcoming Pixel devices. Google's promotional or teaser campaign for its upcoming smartphones is continuing in full force today, with the release of a new video. That's not out of the ordinary in itself. After all, the company has been teasing the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro since May in one form or another. But this video is a bit different. It's basically showing you reactions people had to seeing the Pixel 7 Pro, one would assume for the first time. That's all fine and dandy, but while you and us can see the people and their reactions, we can't see the phone until the very end. Again, this wouldn't be out of the ordinary, except Google's already shown us the Pixel 7 Pro multiple times. There's an entire section on its online store that's dedicated to it, complete with images of all three color versions. Anyway, yes, there's a watch. You'll get this only if you watch until the end. And it's getting fully announced along with the two new Pixels at an event on October 6. The devices will go on pre-order on the same day as the event. This was rumored since early August, and now Google has confirmed the move with the small print in the video. We're going to then assume that the October 13 rumored shipping date is also going to pan out, but let's see what happens. Apart from this, the folks at 9 to 5 Google spotted cases for the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro today, and unsurprisingly, the overall design is nearly identical to last year's options. Like with the Pixel 6, Google is sticking to matching color cases, presumably made out of TPE and recycled materials once again. However, there are two apparent differences we can gather from these photos. First, the cases are no longer translucent. Instead, each color matches its corresponding pixel perfectly. Second, the buttons are now made of hard plastic, not rubber. Google's accessories have seen their fair share of criticism and controversy over the last year. The cases that arrived with the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro were known for discoloration and warping, despite the cases avoiding direct sunlight. Former AP editor Ryan Hager did a deep dive into this phenomenon earlier this year, and I'd encourage anyone considering picking up a Pixel 7 to read it. These design tweaks may be enough to result in much better, more resilient cases. The buttons were a major pain point after all, thanks to the stress each press would place onto the rest of the shell. Considering the previous case design was flawed from the start, it's probably best to hold off pre-ordering or opt for a third-party auction instead. The Pixel 6 series offered plenty of great protective cases, and we expect the same for the Pixel 7. Unfortunately, if you were hoping to use your Pixel 6 case with your Pixel 7, since you know the phones look pretty near identical, you're out of luck. While both generations seem to be around the same height as one another, the camera bar placement is different in both sizes. Anyone planning on trading in their Pixel 6 will need to buy an entirely new set of accessories alongside the Pixel 7. Pixel 7 available in lemongrass, yellow, or green, obsidian, black, and chalk, light gray. Since the general shape of the 2022 flagship phones are the same, save for the camera bar arrangement from last year, Google's cases are mostly unchanged. Said bar and the edges or perimeter appear to be raised again. However, there are two visible differences. These Pixel 7 and 7 Pro cases are no longer translucent and just a solid color, which will be a shame with the smaller 7's lemongrass and the 7 Pro's hazel. The lemongrass case has light gold buttons, while it's color matched on the other two. In general, Google looks to replicate the hue of the camera bar. Lastly, there's again a reflective G logo on the rear. Meanwhile, the Pixel 7 Pro cases are available in hazel, dark green, as well as obsidian and chalk. We don't expect case pricing to be too different from last year's $29. So what do you guys think about these new color options? Which one do you think is the best one? Let me know it down in the comment section and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time.